Okay, you stand up. হ্যাঁ, here you are. বলো 7 দিনের নাম ইংলিশে বলো।
Saturday,
Okay?
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Good job. Give a big hand. Okay. আর কে বলবা? Okay. Here you are. তুমি বলবা? বলো okay বলো। তারপর তুমি বলো। হ্যাঁ বলো। হ্যাঁ।
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday.
Friday.
Okay, good job. Give a big hand. আর কে বলবা? Okay. Here you are. হ্যাঁ, stand up. Okay. হ্যাঁ। বলো ওদিকে।
Saturday,
Look at the camera. হ্যাঁ।
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Tuesday. হ্যাঁ।
Tuesday,
হ্যাঁ। Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Okay.
Friday.
Thank you. Give a big hand. Okay, stand up. You stand up. Here you are. হ্যাঁ বলো। Okay.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Okay, good job. Give a big hand. Okay, you stand up. Here you are. হ্যাঁ, তুমি বলো 12 মাসের নাম ইংলিশে বলো। ওকে, তোমার পরিচয় দিয়ে শুরু করে দাও।
Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all bright and shiny. I am also fit and fine. My name is Nujat Tabassum, but you can call me Ilma because it's my nickname.
Okay.
I study in class 6 and my school's name is Lalmirhat Government Girls High School. Now I am going to tell you the names of the 12 months in English.
Okay.
So let's get started.
Okay.
January,
এই তোমরা এর সাথে রিপিট করবে হ্যাঁ সবাই। হ্যাঁ ওকে, হ্যাঁ শুরু।
January, February, March,
সোজাও।
April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, good job. Give a big hand. Okay, sit down. Okay.